Hi guys, how you doing? I hope you're doing okay. I really hope you're doing okay. Whatever place you are, I hope you're sleeping well, having sweet days, blessed days. Yeah, today I'm spending the day at the farm. At my farm, guys, I told you before, I've planted some sweet potatoes and they have really been doing well. Today I just want to take care of them, like God has said, we take care of the creation, the blessings He has given us, and we are so blessed. We are really blessed. And today I'm going to be spending the entire day at the farm, helping my mom and Eva, and yeah, we'll be weeding. I don't know if you guys know what is weeding. Weeding is when you remove weed from the food so that they don't fight for nutrients. We'll be weeding and also putting some water. Actually, when it's not raining, we usually water the sweet potatoes straight from the well because we don't want them to dry up, and they kind of require a lot of water. So when it doesn't rain, we just take the water, connect the pipes to the well, and we pour the water to the land. Yeah, as you can see. Does anyone else feel like there's a big shift in the world, like something bigger than politics is happening? Like the world is changing so fast. In the past 5 years, so many people have started waking up. They have gone from partying, drinking too much, working jobs they hate, and not believing in anything, to sleeping early, eating better, tracking their health, starting their own businesses, and choosing self-sufficiency. Like more people now dream of great living, or living in the countryside, living a more peaceful life, growing their own food and raising animals like cows, raising their families in peace. It's like there's this big shift. For the last 50 years, we have been stuck, believing lies from big institutions and chasing pleasure without meaning. But now people are realizing there's more to life than working a job you hate for 60 years and partying on weekends. Like, just look around. Like, so many people love and moving towards a peaceful life, more quiet life. It's like we are waking up to who we really are and the freedom of living on our own terms. And I find that really beautiful. Today when our chicken has so much to feed, like, those weeds, sometimes you don't throw them away, because these are veggies to the chicken, and veggies are very important. So we've been giving them to the chicken today.
Mufagi. Najua unaona uko na kidonda, umwagie hii mali uko na kidonda, inaponanga haraka.
We call this one, I think it's called nettle plant or nestle plant. This one, if you touch it, stings you, and I've heard it's really good for arthritis. It's really good for so many things. And can you imagine, it's growing freely on the land? No one planted it, we just found it and we decided to take care of it. We call it, is it Mufarek Yama? How do we call it? Yeah, it's very good, very nice. I wanted to weed for the veggies too. We've planted several of them, like spinach. We have Chinese spinach, sukuma matumbo. We have onions, we have garlic, we have, oh my goodness, we have dania as well. Dania is coriander. We have capsicums. Like, there's so much in our kitchen garden, and we're really grateful for the abundance. we are so grateful, and we have to take care of it. So I decided just to weed it a little bit. We call this one mufagi. I think it's called Mexican marigold. I'm not sure, but this is how it looks. The first one that I was touching, this is it. So this one is really good when it grows next to plants, because it helps keeps pests away, because it has this strong smell. So I won't be uprooting this one away because it has like this symbiotic relationship with the plants. These called oxalis, and they can be eaten just like that, and I really love them. I think they taste really nice. I love their taste. It's kind of bitter, but not bitter. It's hard to explain. It tastes like it's fermented. That's so good. So we want to water the plants as well, and we will be doing something else. We want to water them, and then we'll be spraying. Mostly it's the sweet potatoes that we'll be spraying. Some pesticides for the roots and for the leaves. Yeah. I saw a post on TikTok that said this is supposed to be called lettuce or lettuce. Wild lettuce. Is it really true? I'm not really sure, but I think this is the one they were talking about. And if it's the one, then we have it right here.
Hii ni isengro vegetative. Hii maana yake ni ya kuweka matawi iwe wet, iwe ni kama kuna nyesa na matawi yake kuwa evergreen.
Haya.
Na kuwa kupwa. Yani inakuwa nzuri tu kabisa, ukiangalia unaona ni kama inanyesewa kila wakati.
Haya.
Na hii nayo inaitwa surubani. Hii ni ya misisi ya ngwase. Hii ni ya kuzuia wadudu. Kama inaitwa white flies.
Zile zenye zilikuwa pale?
Zenye zilikuwa pale na ya huko chini. Ingine inatambaa huko kwa ngwase ndani. Ni ya kuzuia hiyo nini. Si unaona wakati unakula ngwase, sweet potato inakuanga na kama ugonjwa huko ndani. Ukikula unasikia pengine unawashwa huko, unakula mahali pana kuanga unawaswa. Ni kama nduru ni kururua. Hiyo unasikia hiyo lugha kururua. Hii ni ya kuzuia hiyo ugonjwa. Na ni vindundu, ni kama katapira, ni aina ya katapira inaingia kwa ngwase huko ndani. Wakati inaweka ngwase, inaweka hiyo matunda hiyo ngwase. Kwa hivyo hii unasanganya na hii. Ukisanganya hivyo, saa itakuwa poa. Ukizuia kwa misisi, ili uweke ngwase vizuri, na hii kwa matawi inakuwa sawa.
Right now I want to go to the shamba to spray, but I'm not the one who will be doing this. It's Paul. Paul is a guy who usually he comes to help us a lot around the home. So he's the one who is going to do it. So I was helping him measure the pesticides. I don't know how to call it. I was helping him with the measurements. Usually it is Efa usually do this, but I think Efa is one of the most busy people around here. Like, he's always up to something. So right now he has gone to run some errands from the town. So I had to help Paul with this. Yeah, so that he can go and spray it to the sweet potatoes.
Unaona hiyo namba?
Guys, that's the end of my video. I hope you enjoyed it. We also had some more to spray around where we've planted azolla. Yeah, my mom added these ones and they're really doing well. You know, azolla has a lot of minerals, so the sweet potatoes around it are doing so well. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed today's vlog and I appreciate you. May God bless you. Thank you so much. See you in the next one.